बहुत लग रहा
Hi guys,
Good morning guys.
We are live from bus which is on the way to Mount Etna and route Mount Etna. So this is Mr. Pranav Sharma, featuring Pranav Sharma. This is featuring Pranav Agarwal. So we are sitting in the bus. We are going to Mount Etna, and if you see, the bus is full jam packed. And now we're gonna show you how the Mount Etna mountain look like, how the snow is there, and if it's a good spot for tourism. And like people do ask, like if I'm in Messina, if I'm coming via like by cruise, and like many times people come by sailing boats, so they just halt in Messina and they try to find out a one-day trip which is perfect for their destination nearby.
As well as many people come to Catania airport because it's one of the big airports in Sicily. So people try to find what is a good spot for a day trip from Catania or Messina.
Right.
As well as Mount Etna is one of the most active volcano in the European continent.
Right. Okay. There's also an active also. That's why a lot of people specifically come to visit Mount Etna. And recently, if you know, like in last year, there was news that the Mount Etna was erupted. You know? There was some volcano out there. So hopefully the things were good after that and it was calmed down. But now it's the snow, it's season snow time, so it's filled with snow. So let's see like how the snow is there, if there's light snow, and people are also planning to do skiing, skateboarding, and you know, a lot of different things.
So there is going to be ESN events being held over there, along with around 150-200 students which are going in the 3 buses. Unlike last time, you know, there was only a bus and around 70 to 80 students. But this time there is more enthusiasm among
more students,
more enthusiasm. And I think from last year's ESN Etna trip, people have taken a good recommendation from the videos which we have put out.
Yes.
And they have made sure that this year they will not miss this event.
Yes. So that's why people were asking, you know, from last year after the event, then when would the Etna trip happen again?
Yeah.
So I mean, that's why we were also even asking them that we do not miss the trip out.
We made sure that whichever student came this year, they made a trip to Etna. And you know, if you try to go Etna by yourself, there are few packages here and there you can get for 20-25 euro. Or if you go on an individual basis, it might cost you around 30 to 40 euros.
But it would be not that fun. I mean, the student trip is even like better in terms of, you know, like excitement.
Because there is a lot of planning also that is going on, and you know, we have a place where we can chill, and you know, like we have a lunch spot as well as an evening spot. So that is important, because if you go by yourself, you might not know which spots to stop by.
Plus, like, you know, like if it's a friend's trip, like you would always have seen, like, you know, early childhood and a schoolhood. Like usually the college trip is even fun because
this is like a school picnic.
Yeah, it's like a picnic for us.
It's a picnic
because you have friends, you make new friends.
See, unlike the usual videos which we make, which is a vlog, but this is like a group trip. You know, usually we make an individual vlog so that you can make an individual tour. However, you know, the itinerary which we will do is similar to what you can also follow.
Yes.
And we will list down all of the things that, you know, probably you can take if you're coming by with your family or, you know, with your friends.
Yes, and till the end of the video, we're gonna share you good spots that you can consider visiting after we see it's a good spot. And we'll also drop a WhatsApp, the Google location in case you do not find it is a good spot, so you can make it track.
What we will do is we'll make it easier for you guys. We'll make a complete roadmap just after this scene, so you can watch this scene and then you can see the complete roadmap. If you're coming from Messina, if you're coming from Catania, you'll be able to find what is the best way to reach over to Etna.
Right. And even if you are considering coming from Catania, Taormina, Messina, Salerno, Palermo, these are all, you know, close by cities. So you can maybe take an early morning bus at 4, 5, 6 a.m. And like we also took a bus at I think 6:30 something. And we'll be reaching about in some 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So I mean that should be a good time, because if you reach by 9, 10 a.m. it would be like not very crowded. Plus you will have a lot of time to explore the entire, because it's a one-day trip. You do not have much resorts or much, you know, accommodations there. So you can probably, you know, go in the morning and come back at the evening. And there is no tickets, of course. Like the entire spot is free of cost. But in case you want to do some activities like sports activities, snow activity, you can always buy their.
You can rent it out. Yeah, you can rent it out instead of buying. Carrying all the luggage. There are a lot of people today who have carried their luggage, but because it's their personal preference. However, you have the choice that you can rent it out. If you don't want to carry all that luggage through your flight or something, and it's at a reasonable rate comparatively, and a lot of people are already going to be doing that. So maybe we'll be able to join those groups, as well as if a person does not know how to ski, there is an option to learn as well. Yeah, for 20 euro. You can learn.
That's great. I mean, for people who actually
for first timers,
who do not want to, who are just taking the best out of it.
Yeah, we like for us, in India we have not seen much of the snow. So what happens is, being from the western hemisphere of India, it's not very cold. We have never seen snow, so we are always excited to see snow. And skiing, it's a sport activity which we have seen on TV, but never been able to experience it. So today, hopefully, we'll be able to experience a new venture.
Yes. So, I mean, let's see you at Mount Etna. Meanwhile, if we have more stories to tell, so we'll be keep on, speaking.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
इज्जत की बात करें,
इज्जत है हमारी.
So guys, we have reached very early today, and So guys, we have reached very early today. In about an hour, we have already started the entry for Etna, and my brother hasn't slept at night, I guess. But
nights are not to sleep, man. Just make videos.
So guys, we'll show you the city, and it's a very scenic route, and it's like a very small way to enter, and only few of the men who have driven on such roads can be able to do that.
और बताइए, how's life, man?
Life is nice.
How can it not be? You are in Italy, come on, man. We are waiting for the snow, man. So I don't think so. This time it's snow falling, no? Otherwise, last time we were seeing the snow to fall like flakes.
I think the more we'll go on top, then we'll see the snow flakes.
We need to go at the extreme top, not bottom.
मन भर गया इसका. Guys, we are in the forest area of Etna.
We want to see the snow area, not the forest area.
We have started to just see a few particles of snow. Let's see.
Bro, when would we reach, man? I'm so sleepy.
We have almost reached, bro.
It's so sunny, man. I need snow.
Hi guys. Snow.
I'm not snow, that is snow. Snowfall.
Guys, today the weather is better, and there is not much of cloud or snowflakes that is falling on the.
It's not called better, it's called worst.
No, it's better actually.
We are coming to a mountain to see snowfall, not to see sunset or sunrise, or to see sun. You are boy.
Hello guys, we have reached.
और गुरु क्या हाल चाल? How's life?